All right. So in this photo shows a lot of contrasts, no, between the Chinese Coast Guard and the Philippine vessels. No? So we have these ribs or rigid hull inflatable boats are being used by the Chinese. We are using rubber boats to retrieve our supplies. So makikita po ninyo yung pagkakaiba. And in the background, you will see the Chinese militia, maritime militia, very close by, very close by. Not shown in this photo are the other Chinese Coast Guard vessels, the ships, and the other 10 Chinese maritime militia. So nakapalibot po sila dito. This photo was taken from our troops on board the BRP Sierra Madre. So makikita niyo po kung gaano kalapit sila. It's very close.
So we're looking at several options. In the past, the airdrop was very successful. We did that several times already, as I said. So we were able to drop supplies, the much needed supplies and medicines to our troops. They were recovered peacefully by our soldiers using the rubber boats. But this time, we don't know what came into the minds of the Chinese Coast Guard when they captured our supplies. So because that is against the law, you cannot do that.